The MDV106-1AV is Casio's hugely popular dive-style analog watch offering 200-meter water resistance, a unidirectional rotating bezel, luminous hands/markers, and a sturdy stainless steel case paired with a comfortable resin or polyurethane strap depending on the seller configuration. The product listing highlights its 200 water resistance rating, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and surface water sports. Screw-down style crown design cues for improved water safety. Check each listing for exact crown specs and a clear, functional analog dial that many buyers find both masculine and practical. On the MDV106 series receives praise in customer reviews for offering solid dive watch styling and real water resistance at a fraction of the cost of luxury dive watches. Reviewers frequently applaud the loom, build quality for the price, and overall robustness. Some purchasers who expect professional dive instrumentation remind others that while the MDV106 is rated 200 and great for recreational water use, professional divers may need dedicated instruments with ISO certification and specialized service options. But for everyday wear, pool days, and casual diving, it's one of the best value propositions on the market. We share by links in description box.